Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks encryption. Check OS and app versions, enable advanced mode, and install the updated encryption library. Once done, back up the app data and export existing keys to a secure location so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to verify library checksums to prevent tampered binaries. Now initialize the encryption module inside the app and create or import a root key. This begins the actionable process immediately rather than stalling on obvious prep. You now configure how encryption operates. Select AES 256 GCM or another approved algorithm and set a clear key rotation cadence to limit exposure. Then integrate key management. Connect to KMS, HSM, or the device secure enclave and assign minimal permissions so services only access keys they need. Once integrated, map which fields or records get encrypted and wire the app's data flows to use the crypto API. After that, run tests against a staging. You finish by deploying encryption in stages, canary or staged rollout, so you can catch issues early and monitor performance and error metrics. Once live, verify integrity by decrypting test records, reviewing audit logs, and confirming permission boundaries. This proves both security and functionality. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Confirm the active key is accessible, check for clock skew affecting token validity, and ensure library versions match between services. Finally, document the rollout and set automated alerts for future failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.